Hello, let's do Wordle number 664, and for the baking theme, both Brendan and Math Geek suggested sugar and flour, which are essential ingredients in baking. There's an error while saving. Refresh. Okay, I'm just going to refresh. Okay, hopefully that fixed it. Don't know why that happens. Alright, well, we get an F somewhere. We covered a good number of vowels. We have the I and the E left. So I should probably test those. How do I want to test those with an F? So where does the F go? Double F is pretty common. I could do like IFF, but stiff, there's no S, so I can't do stiff, but is there something else like that? Ooh, oh no, I thought about drift, but there's no R. I like that IF there though. Maybe IFE, so I can get the E as well. I don't see how the F could go second. How could the F go second? Yeah, I don't see it, but does IFE make sense? Thief? Oh, you know, I could do whiff. That's... I mean, we know there's an F, so I don't mind the double F too much. It'll tell us if there's double F, which is actually not that uncommon for there to be double F. It'll help try to place it, and it tests the I guess. Well, I haven't really thought of anything else, so let's give whiff a try. Not whiff. Oh. So the H, I, and F are in place. Oh, well, it's thief then. Well, that's fun. Another error while saving. Okay. Alright, well, cool. Yeah, going from nothing, from one yellow F to 3 greens is pretty great. I don't think this could have been anything but thief. I mean, thief obviously popped out as soon as I saw those greens, but I wonder if that was it, if that was all there was. Yeah, we didn't have an S to put for the H. CHI, yeah, with the, oh, chief. Wait, is chief EI or IE? Now I can't remember. Still got that COVID brain going on. Alright, well, let me know if there were other options. And I am going to spin the Wheel of Themes. Alright, game development. So, Sweat Street has suggested a game development theme. So 2 words related to developing games in some way. And of course, if you enjoyed this content, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.